Hello, hello, hello. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I've got a couple things that I'm going to show you that I have not used before. The first thing is this little chopper. I got it on Amazon, and I'll have a link to it below. This, which I don't have the strength to start it, but this is a little pull, food processor. But I have to get Regina to pull it because my strength, I do not have the strength to do it. Well, look at this. This is so cool. I have got some pork skins in here, and I'm using spicy buffalo pork skins and put them in here, and Regina starts it for me, and then you just pull this and it comes out like this. And this is going to be my breading for what I'm making in my hopefully amazing Power Air Fryer XL Pro. I have had this for a good year and a half and have never used it. So I've been watching this one girl, and I love her to death. Her name is KetoGinja, Ginja. I think. Yeah, I'll have to. It'll be down in the description, in the description box below, her name or whatever. But her and her husband use their air fryer all the time, and I love watching them. And so the other day they did a recipe using pork rinds as breading instead of almond flour. And you know, I've only done this one time, and I had used almond flour, and I saw this, and so I'm going to try these pork rinds for my chicken tenders. And like I said, I mean, I've this little thing, well, I might not have. There you go. You got to put this down inside there. And this is just too cool. And it really does. And it beats getting out that, which I love my food processor, but I wanted to try this and see how it worked because I just thought this was too cool. All right, so watch. See that? Oh my God, they just come out so cool. And I am going to use these for breading on my chicken tenders, and I'm going to make some chicken tenders in my Power Air Fryer. This is the Power Air Fryer XL Pro. I think you can see that. And this is not very big. I'll show you when I get everything in here together or whatever. I've got to get some eggs, and I've got to get the chicken tenders out and salt and pepper them, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so this is 4 eggs, and I didn't know how many to use or whatever, so I went on and used 4 and put in a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, probably a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I've got them in here, and here is this is a whole bag. No wonder there's no carbs in these. This is a whole bag of the pork skins, and I'm just going to, I hope it's going to be enough. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix my little breading station here. So I've got the chicken in here, right here. Then the pork skins, the breading, and then, oh, excuse me. Wow. Okay, and then I'm going to put the chicken on here and let it, you know, the breading come together on the chicken, and then I'll put it in the air fryer. And I'm kind of excited about this because when Amanda, I think that's her name, Amanda and her husband make it on the KetoGinja. It always looks really good. So I've got to try this. All right, so I've got my fork here. I'm going to see if y'all can see this. I've got the eggs. I'm letting that drip off, and then I'm going to put them in here and see how this does. And this is the spicy buffalo. And I really usually don't like spicy stuff, but for chicken tenders, Regina said it should be okay. So I'm going to see how it is. Alright, so I'm going to put this down on the plate. And I'm not sure how many will go in this. This is not the big air fryer, so it may only hold 5 or 6 of them. But I'll bring you back when I'm going to go on and bread what I can, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got y'all up so you can see down inside the air fryer. I've got, I think it's 5 here. I need to get out my little tong things. Let me bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, y'all can see me in the little thing right here. Hey, I got my glasses on so I can see. All right, so I'm gonna put these strips in here. As many as I can get in here, but you don't want them overlapping. I mean, on top of each other, so I'm just laying them down in here. Oh, and I think I'm gonna be able to get more than 5 in here. Yep. I should be able to get 6. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking the chicken tenders, and I done showed y'all this, but I'll do it again so I can go on and put this in here. I'm just putting it in here and turning it over with the fork and getting all the pork skins on here. All right. All right, let me see if I can get one more. Yep. I probably could squish them around and get... Nah, I'll just do 6 at a time. Alright, so I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to... I really don't know how to do this, but I'm going to make this... Take this all the way up to 400 degrees. Then I'm going to... Oh, yep. Well, that's right. Alright, so hopefully 15 minutes. It said 14, but 15 is fine. So after 7.5 minutes, I'm going to turn these, and I will... That's it. I mean, that's how easy it is to do this, I guess. The little light is on. I guess it's on. We'll see if it starts counting down, and I'll bring you back. Okay, it was at 7 minutes, and so I pulled them out, and I turned them, and now I'm just going to push it back in there. And it starts back at 7 minutes. So, you can see it's gonna do it itself, and it's smelling good in here. So we're gonna see in just a few minutes. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so these cooked for 15 minutes on 400. I've got some ranch dressing here, and I'm telling you, I really do think that they're done. Yeah, they are. They're done. And I put 6 more in there. And all right, so I've dipped this in ranch. We're gonna see what this tastes like. I don't know why I've never used my air fryer. I just don't know why. As I'm sitting here thinking about everything that I could cook in it. Zucchini, squash. Oh my gosh, there's so much that I could be cooking in it and showing y'all. And probably most of you, or some of you, have got air fryers, and you're probably like me, not using it either. But then again, people like Amanda and her husband are using theirs. So, look at this. This is really pretty good. And it's definitely done. And the breading is crispy. Easy, easy. All right. Chicken tenders with ranch dressing. Amazing. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be a link below so you can get that little food processor thing that I was using for that is really cool. By the way, that's really cool. And then there'll be a link below for, hopefully I can find one where you can get an air fryer if you don't have one, so you can go along with me, because I think I'm going to be using this right much. I mean, there's just really so much that you can cook in this. And I mean, I guess when you're keto, you can eat fried stuff, but this has got to be way healthier. All right, I'm gonna get out there. Regina and I are gonna eat some chicken tenders. So you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.